What's up guys, my name is Michael and today I want to share with you an offer. The offer is that if you buy Capture One Pro or Capture One Sony or Capture One Fuji, then you will get a film style pack for free. And I mean, you save, I think it is $70 with that deal, and I thought it's a good thing to let you know. And actually it's pretty important to see what these film styles look like. I edited some photos with these presets and I want to share them with you right now. Pretty nice, right? I mean, it's not the kind of style that I usually do for my images. I like more contrast and no film grain, but actually maybe some of you might really enjoy this kind of look, this kind of film look. And especially for those of you who don't have a Capture One license, this deal might be a good opportunity to get it. This offer is only meant to be promoted by the Capture One affiliates, so the only way to get to this offer is through my link. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. I hope you enjoyed the images. If you haven't already, make also sure that you check out my own presets because I have made some presets that are pretty cheap and you can get them in my online shop as well. I'll post the link in the description. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be able to make another video before I'm heading to Dubai for Fujifilm. We'll see. Have a good time. See you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.